Hello there, fellow crafters. I'm Beth and I am with Craft-e-Corner. We are a Cricut authorized retailer. Be sure to subscribe to see all of our inspiration and educational videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make these magnetic bookmarks. We will start in Design Space where I found this cute design right in Images. I have it sized to 2.5 inches wide. I also have a rectangle that I got from the Shapes section, and have it sized to 1/2 inch wide and 1.5 inch high. I am then going to duplicate my design and turn it upside down. I will send the rectangle to the back and place it under my 2 images. Then I can select all 3 layers and align it center horizontally. I can then select all 3 layers again and click on Flatten. This will put it all together as one layer and cut all together, including turning it to print then cut. Next we need to make the design that will be the magnets. I go into Shapes again and find a shape that is similar to the design. I just need it to fit inside the basic shape of it. I am going to pick this trapezoid and then size it to fit inside. Then I duplicate for the other side. I followed the same process and made each of these. I need to make sure that my Maker 3 is selected and then hit Make It. It will begin with the print and cut part. I click on Continue and Send to Printer. I leave Add Lead on and hit Print. And it'll print. Then back in Design Space, I'll select the material as medium cardstock. After loading the mat, the Maker 3 will scan the black registration marks, and then it will cut. For the magnetic shapes, I will click on Browse All Materials and search for Magnet Sheet. This is my magnet sheet here. It has an adhesive on one side. I'm going to place it on my strong grip mat. Design Space is saying that it needs the deep point blade. This is the deep point blade, and I am going to replace the fine point blade here in Clamp B. I'm going to load my mat and click Go. It will then cut my magnetic shapes. Here everything is cut out, so let's assemble. First thing I do is fold each one in half. Notice that the magnetic shapes sit a little better when placed right, so be sure that they are sitting correctly when placing them on the inside of the cardstock. I just take the backing off the magnet and stick it right to the cardstock on the underside. I continue with the rest of them. And that's it. It is ready to keep your page in your favorite book. Thank you for watching today. If you're looking for another way to make bookmarks, check out this video. Be sure to head over to Craft-e-Corner.com for all of your Cricut needs. And don't forget to subscribe so you do not miss out on all of our future videos. See you next time.